हेलो फ्रेंड्स प्रधान पार्ट वाटरफॉल देवगढ़ समस्त जाइथिबा वाटरफॉल तलू देखिक आसचे बहुत वाटरफॉल बुलीचे बट ऊपर कौटू आसूची पानी तार डिस्कवर करने आम चेष्टा करूँ एंड जो रास्तार जाइलु दैट वाज कंप्लीटली न्यू एंड रास्ता ही नथिला ओबाटरे जाइलु तो सहित कौन आमर एक्सपीरियंस थिला ताकू शेयर करूँ एटा पहाड़ ऊपर पहुँचला पर गला बेलू जो रास्ता देखिए आम जाइलु दैट वाज कंप्लीटली डिफिकल्ट टू राइड सो कैमेरार तो प्रश्न ही उठुनी तापर आम कौन कौन देखीचु ता ऊपर सब जिन शेयर कर मस्ट वाच।
Can you get water here? Oh, it's only oxygen that you can feel, and the wild you can enjoy, and the thrill you can feel. This is fantastic. Oh, and there is no way. We are just exploring ways to get into the water, reach diversity and some water. Yes, finally. Follow this path. Let's follow this one. Let's follow this water line so that we may reach some water body, but it is too difficult here to walk. Oh my god. I think yes, there is another line. Oh, impossible to cross this line or what? And finally we got this small stream, and the water is so chilled and tasty, and this is the way that we find from the local people, from the guidance of the local people, and through this you can easily go, and this is the way that lead us to further to the bottom of the floor, and this man is enjoying the most. So this is very special day, and this water leads to the waterfall popularly known as
Honda, or what is it? What do you call?
It is a good question to him. remember I am giving you some time. Present in Devgarh district. And
yeah, it is called Pradhan Path.
yes, he remembered it. It is right. It's Pradhan Path waterfall, and this is unexplored. This is unexplored beauty of the mountain of the waterfall present in the district of Devgarh. This is fantastic, and he is enjoying a face wash. And finally, this is the destination. It देखिदवा जिनसटा because these are the various water reserves from which the waterfall that is known as waterfall
Pradhan Path.
the Pradhan Path waterfall, that the topmost view of the Pradhan Path waterfall. This is the collection of water. This is the river that flows towards this, and here it is.
सातटा कुंड है सातटा कुंड
सातटा नहीं ना
अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट गाय
ये चिल्ड वाटर फायदा उठे कि बढ़िया गोटे गाधुआ है और विश्वास कराए पानी बहुत मेडिसिनल वैल्यू अच्छे
इनू स्टार्ट है. दिस इज द 7th. वी आर एट द टॉप पोजिशन. दिस इज द 7th, then 6th, then count going towards the lower side of the mountain. You can count the number of exact water reserves. And after the bath we are feeling relaxed, and that is the fall there. You can see here.
कुंड is there. टेक्टोनिक प्लेट रो मूवमेंट पे उठी जाई बड़ बड़ गात हो जाई ଆଉ ସେଇ ଗାତରେ ପାଣି ଭରି ରହିଯାଇଛି
ହୁଁ
ସେଇ ଗାତରୁ ପାଣି ଯୋଉ ବାହାରୁଛି ସେଇଟା ଏମାନେ ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ କହିକି
ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲା ଫାଇନାଲି।
ଜଙ୍ଗଲଟା ବହୁତ ଉପରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଡାଉନ୍ ଅଛି ଗ୍ରାଭିଟି ନିହାତି ପାଣିକୁ ଟିକେ ଟାଣିବ ଗ୍ରାଭିଟି ପାଣିକୁ
but don't you think this is also very beautiful to capture?
yes it is indeed it is